This coffee is costing you $1,170 a year. And that's not even the worst thing you're doing with your money. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to see exactly where more than $3,000 a year is leaking out of your pocket without you noticing, and stay until the end because the last trick is the one that recovers the most money and it doesn't ask you to give up anything. Let's start with the famous one, your daily coffee run, $4.50. Sounds like nothing, right? No, do the math with me. $4.50 5 days a week for 52 weeks a year, $1,170. Add the pastry and you're past $1,600. Look, I'm not telling you to quit coffee. I'm telling you to know what it costs because there is a huge difference between spending on purpose and spending on autopilot. Second leak, and this one hurts more, food delivery. An average order costs $25 and the same meal cooked at home, $8. That's $17 of difference every single time you can't be bothered to cook. 2 orders a week is 104 orders a year. And 104 times 17, it means $1,768 a year for just being lazy, and that's not eating well. That's paying a laziness tax. Third leak, zombie subscriptions. Grab your phone and count with me. Netflix, Spotify, HBO, the gym you never go to, that app you tried for free in 2024 that's still charging you. Most people are paying for 4 or 5 subscriptions and there are always 2 that you don't even use. 2 $15 subscription is $360 a year for nothing. Literally nothing. That's money leaving your account while you sleep. And now the twist. Add up the 3 leaks, 1170 plus 1768 plus 360, more than $3,000 a year. But here is what actually matters. The problem was never the coffee, the problem is the spending without deciding, because if you invested those $3,000 every year at an average 7% return in 10 years, you'd have more than $45,000. $45,000. And that's what autopilot really costs you. And the trick I promised you. The one that gets that money back without giving up anything. It takes 10 minutes. 1. Open last month's bank statement and flag everything you don't remember deciding to buy. 2. Cancel the 2 subscriptions you don't use today. And 3. The key, set up an automatic transfer to a savings account on the same day you get paid for the exact amount that was leaking away. And it is not willpower, it is making the money disappear from view before laziness gets a vote. But the real question is, where do you put these $3,000 so that they can start working for you? And that's exactly what the next video is about. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to watch the next video, please drop a like there and subscribe for more economics concepts like this.